Royal Polish Cheesecake. Look at that silky filling, that crumbly cocoa crust. Today I'm sharing every secret that makes it work every time. Start with the cocoa shortbread crust, all-purpose flour in the mixer first. Everything must be cold, straight from the fridge. Add cold butter, cubed straight from the fridge. Mix on the lowest speed until it looks like wet sand. The butter should almost disappear into the flour. Cold butter is what makes this crust crumbly and delicate. Now switch to the whisk attachment. Add powdered sugar, egg yolks and 1 tablespoon of cold sour cream. Mix until the dough just starts to clump together. Turn it out, knead quickly into a flat disc. The less you handle it, the better. Wrap it and straight into the freezer. Now for the filling. Beat 6 egg whites to stiff peaks and set them aside. These are the secret to a light, airy cheesecake, not a dense, heavy one. Transfer the egg whites to a bowl and keep them safe. Into the stand mixer, very soft butter, egg yolks and powdered sugar. Beat on high speed for 5 full minutes. You want this pale, fluffy, almost mousse-like. That silky base is what makes this cheesecake so special. Add your farmer's cheese 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time. Farmer's cheese or Quark works best here. No luck finding it? Blend full-fat cream cheese with whole milk ricotta until smooth. Mix well between each addition. Add vanilla extract. Now add your cornstarch, 6 tablespoons. Do not use instant pudding mix. In a baked cheesecake it turns rubbery. Cornstarch is the right stabilizer. Fold in those beaten egg whites gently at first, then a few seconds on medium to bring it all together. Check the bottom with a spatula. Make sure nothing is hiding down there. Take the frozen dough from the freezer, grate half of it through the large holes of a box grater directly onto the bottom of your 9 by 13 inch pan. This grating technique is the secret to that beautiful crumbly texture. Pour the entire filling on top, then grate the remaining dough evenly over the surface. Straight into a preheated 350-degree oven, lowest rack, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Look at that golden crumbly on top, the filling baked through perfectly. Slow down to let it set. Let it cool completely before slicing. The center needs time to firm up. Do not cut for at least 3 to 4 hours. Overnight in the fridge gives you the cleanest, most beautiful slices. Look at those layers. Cocoa crust on the bottom, silky filling in the middle, crumbly top. That is what Polish home baking looks like. Full recipe with US measurements is in the description below. See you in the next one. Enjoy!